guys, it's Grizz. I'm in the garage. I'm working on a Ducati Monster. Let me show you what I done to get the rear brake working again. I believe this is a common problem with the Ducati Monster. I also think some of the other Ducatis have the same issue. Let me show you what I done. It's simple. Okay, so now you can spend hours like I did and bleeding like half a litre of brake fluid through this system trying to get it bled. Basically, the bleed nipples here. Ideally what you would do is just take off that bleed nipple cover, stick a bleed line on it, undo this, pump the brake pedal a few times, and you lose all the air and your rear brake caliper starts to work again. My brake pedal was traveling all the way down onto the exhaust and I had no rear brake whatsoever. So the best way to do it is to undo and remove the brake caliper itself, take off this plastic shield which is holding the tubing in place, take off this little holder as well on the swing arm. It's all quite accessible using Allen keys, and then basically then hold the brake caliper up above, higher than the rear reservoir for the brake fluid, and bleed from there. Get someone to give you a hand pushing on the pedal, and it literally took about, I don't know, 20 minutes versus 2 hours, and I didn't really use much more brake fluid. So that is my tip for bleeding out the rear brake system. I believe this is a problem with many of the Ducatis, and yeah, it's transformed the bleeding process, which was a bleeding pain. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.